Welcome to EduRev.
Hi all, my name is Sarika Tulsiani, and today we are going to look at one of the most important topics and also one of the most easiest topics asked in CAT, which is time and work. So let's start with the first concept of time and work. Now suppose if I give you an example, suppose if I tell you A takes 12 days to do a piece of work. ठीक है, A takes 12 days to do a piece of work. One day में वो कितना करेगा? How much will he do in one day? So if he takes 12 days to do a complete work, can I say in one day he will do 1/12 of the work? ठीक है, he will do 1/12 of the work. Second day also he will do 1/12 of the work. Third day 1/12, fourth day 1/12. ऐसे करते करते on the 12th day he will complete his entire work. So in this case, what is happening is we are assuming that our total work is 1. Because we are saying 1/12, 1/12, 1/12 and so on. So until the 12th day, 12/12 of the work will be completed. So that is nothing but 1. So we are assuming the total work is 1. ठीक है? So let's take an example. Suppose if I tell you A takes 12 days to do a piece of work, B takes 24 days to do the same piece of work. ठीक है? If they work together, in how many days can my work get completed? ठीक है? If they work together, in how many days is the work completed? Now what do we do is we talk about one day again. So one day में A will do 1/12 of the work. One day में B will do 1/24 of the work. They are working together. So the total work will be 1/12 plus 1/24. So the LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. So I'll multiply this with 2. So this also with 2. 2 plus 1 will give me 3. So 3/24. 3/24 is nothing but 1/8 of the work will be done by them in one day. 1/8 of the work is done in one day. So to do the entire work, that is one work, how many days will they take? This 8 will go on the other side. So they will take 8 days to complete the entire work. ठीक है? They will take 8 days. Now in this case, what is happening is we are using the concept of reciprocals. ठीक है? We are using reciprocals because 12 days so 1/12, 24 days so one day में 1/24 and so on. And then we are trying to simplify the question. But my point is most of the questions of time and work can be solved without the reciprocals, without the fractions, which makes your sum very, very easy. So that method is called as the LCM method or the unitary method. See, the process is the same, but our only target is to avoid the reciprocals. How do we do that? Now let's try to do the same example by the LCM method, or as we call it, the unitary method. ठीक है? What do we do? What are they saying? देखो, A takes 12 days to do a work. B takes 24 days to do the same work. Now in the previous case, we had assumed the total work to be 1. In this case, we are going to assume the total work to be the LCM. Your total work is going to be the LCM. Now what is the LCM of 12 and 24? The LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. So I will assume 24 units to be my total work. This is my total work. Now let's talk about one day. A takes 12 days to do 24 units. ठीक है? 12 days to do 24 units. तो one day में कितना करेगा? अगर 12 days में 24 करता है तो can I say one day में he will do 2 units. Correct? See, the product of this and this should give you 24. Similarly, B takes 24 days to do 24 units because your total work is 24. तो one day में कितना करेगा? One day में B will do 1 unit. ठीक है? So together these guys do 3 units in one day. Correct? They have to do 24 units because that is our total work. तो 24 units करने को कितना टाइम लगेगा? If 3 units take one day, 24 units will take 24 upon 3, which is 8 days. And that is your answer. So the answer is the same as the previous one. ठीक है? The only thing is we are using the LCM method, and in this method we have no reciprocals, no fractions at all. So it makes our sums really easy. So let's try to solve certain questions by using the LCM or the unitary method. So this is our first problem. What does it say? R can do a piece of work in 24 days, S in 48 days. Now S joins R after R had worked alone for 6 days. In how many more days would the work get completed? ठीक है? So they are saying R can do a piece of work in 24 days. S can do the work in 48 days. Our step 1 is to find the LCM of the two. 24 and 48. The LCM would be 48 units. So this is going to be our total work. Okay? Now let's talk about 1 day. Let's talk about 1 day. R takes 24 days to do 48 units. तो 1 day में कितना करेगा? 1 day में he will do 2 units. S takes 48 days to do 48 units. तो 1 day में he will do 1 unit. So together these guys do 3 units in 1 day. 3 units करता है 1 day में, so they have to do 48 units. ठीक है? So 48 units would ideally take how much time? That would have been the process. But the thing is, these guys do not work for the entire days together. They are not doing the entire work together, so we don't need to consider this 48 right now. See, they can do 3 units together in 1 day, that is correct. But what are they saying? S joins R after R had worked alone for 6 days. So R had worked alone for 6 days. Now देखो, R does 2 units in 1 day. So R has worked for 6 days. So can I say 6 days में R has done 12 units. So our total work was 48. उसमें से 12 units are already done by R. So the remaining units are 36 units. Now S is going to come into the picture. Now S and R are working together. Now the question is, in how many more days would the work get completed? See, understand, these guys are doing 3 units in 1 day. Okay? They are doing 3 units in 1 day. They have to do how much work together? They have to do 36 units together. So 36 units करने के लिए they will take how much time? So they will take 36 upon 3, which is 12 days. The question is, how many more days would be required? The answer is they would require 12 more days to complete the work. And that is your answer. Now let's look at the next problem. So let's see, what does it say? A can lay a railway track between 2 given stations in 16 days, and B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. So with the help of C, so when all 3 worked together, they completed the work in 4 days. Now the question is, C alone can do the job in how many days? ठीक है? Now what are they saying? देखो, A alone takes 16 days. B alone takes 12 days. C alone takes how many days? We don't know. Okay, we don't know. But A, B, C together took 4 days. With the help of C, they completed the job in 4 days. Now, whatever data is given, you're going to calculate the LCM. So you need the LCM of 16, 12 and 4. ठीक है? So the LCM of 16, 12 and 4 will be 48 units. So this is your total work. Now we are going to talk about 1 day. ठीक है? 1 day. Now A takes 16 days to do 48 units. So 1 day में A will do 3 units because 16 into 3 will give you 48. Similarly, B takes 12 days to do 48 units. So 1 day में B will do 4 units. ठीक है? टोटल कितना हुआ? चेक दैट. 4 days में these guys were able to do 48 units. तो 1 day में they will do how much? 1 day में they will do 48 divided by 4 which is 12 units. ठीक है, 1 day में total all of them did 12 units together. Now the question is C did how many units? See, A and B मिला के did 7 units. Total 12 units are done. So can I say C will do 12 minus 7 which is 5 units. ठीक है, so C will do 5 units in 1 day. Now let's talk about C. They are asking you C alone will do the job in how many days? Now C does 5 units in 1 day. So in order to do 48 units, C will take how many days? So your days will be 48 upon 5. So we'll convert it into a mixed fraction. So your base will be 5 only. 5 के टेबल में 48 से क्लोजेस्ट वैल्यू इज 45. 5 9s are 45. I have 3 remaining. ठीक है, because it's 48. So 9 5s are 45 plus 3. So C will take 9 3/5 days. That is your answer. Your answer need not necessarily be proper integer values always. You can get mixed fractions as well. ठीक है.